Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture on your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down, tap on the system, click on the languages input, tap on the virtual keyboard and enter the G port. And here we have to go for the theme. Click right here. And here we got all the picture that we can use to set up our keyboard theme, and I'm going for this one. So here we have the Savitar, the Speedster God, and also the Flash Barry Allen. So I think that we can only set it up with this Savitar, so click next. And here we are able to set up the transparency. I can pick up this one, click done, tap apply, and right now when you are going to use your keyboard, you will see that your theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.